y'all's Woodrow. Welcome back to Anomalous Caution Show. You're doing Cup of 5. Previous episode we did Cup of 4. We're doing 5. That's it. Let's get right to it. It's wild, chaotic, like lightning cracking on my tongue. Cracking, leaving a metallic aftershock. My body hums with restless energy, unable to stay still, as though I'm fracturing into endless possibilities. Endless, you say? Oh, what the fuck? Okay. That ain't no motherfucking clover. No, it's a trauma flower. I think I see why. Of course you gotta speak. That's disturbing. Get the fuck off my screen. Okay, that is the Cup of 5. Enjoy this episode. Please stay tuned for the next video. Bye-bye.